Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell your cryptocurrencies on the Binance application. Binance lets you sell your cryptocurrencies for fiat, which means you can exchange them directly to USD or euros. Now, in case you haven't had the Binance account yet, you're in a great place because we have a referral link just for you. If you scroll down to the bottom of the video, you'll see first in the description that you can sign up for Binance with a 20% fee discount plus a €100 bonus. You can find it right here or in the first top comment. If you find this video useful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Currently, we are on the Binance application, and then first of all, we're going to go to the wallets and check in which tab is our cryptocurrency sitting at. Solana right now is sitting at the spot, so I'm just going to make double sure of that, check all the history for it, and then from here, we're going to go to home, and then we're going to search for that cryptocurrency. So for me, I'm going to search for Solana. Now, there are two types. There are either Web3 wallet or normal one. In my case, I can use the normal one, but feel free to use whatever that you have. As you can see right here, we have the chart, and simply we're going to click on sell. And then from here, you can add whatever price of that per Solana you would like. And then you can use the slider to add, increase or decrease, and it will show you the total amount in USDT. The most important thing is that it's in USDT because you're going to sell it for direct dollars. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.